Man is killed in Northern Ireland as Storm Arwen hits northern parts of the UK with winds of nearly 100 miles an hour.
Now, the east coast of the UK has been hit by winds of almost 100 miles an hour overnight, all caused by Storm Arwen.
Amber and yellow weather warnings remain in place with more strong winds and further travel disruption expected. Tens of thousands of people are waking up this morning without power. Louisa Pilbeam has this report.
Storm Arwen moved in from the east, hitting Aberdeenshire with huge waves, gusts of more than 90 miles an hour and snow. In County Antrim in Northern Ireland, a man was killed when a tree struck his car. Red warnings signalling danger to life are rare. This, the first in almost 2 years. So treacherous were the conditions on the roads that Police Scotland told people in red warning areas not to drive.
You can barely stand up.
Storm chaser Sean filmed this for his social media channels.
Pushing through it. I don't want to be hit by any falling debris. That is brutal. This is Portobello Beach in Edinburgh. I have never in all my life seen a storm like this.
Train services suffered major disruption. LNER, which runs routes from London's King's Cross to Aberdeen and Inverness, said on Friday evening its trains would not be going beyond Newcastle. And they advised customers not to travel until Monday, with weekend tickets valid until Wednesday.
So my friends and I got on this train at Elgin at 3:30 yesterday afternoon on Friday. We've been parked at Huntley Station since about 4:30 and it's now 5 a.m. So we've been on the train about 14 hours and neither us nor the train crew have got any idea when we're likely to get off it.
Overnight on the M62, junctions 21 and 22 were closed after more than 120 HGVs got stuck in the snow. In northeast Scotland, an amber warning remains in place, and in southwest England and Wales.
I want to get home and wrap up and not come out.
It's going to get worse. The electrics are going to go, I know that.
And Storm Arwen even affected ITV's I'm a Celebrity show in North Wales.
Because of Storm Arwen, for the first time ever, we're not coming to you live.
No, this show was recorded earlier this evening because weather conditions are forecast to get worse.
With further weather warnings in place across the UK today, more disruption is likely. Louisa Pilbeam, BBC News.
Well, let's find out what it's like this morning. The amber weather warning remains in place for the north of England. Our reporter Alison Freeman is in Whitley Bay for us this morning. So, Alison, I'm trying to get looking at what you're wearing. Clearly, it's pretty blowy. Tell us about the conditions there.
Yeah, Charlie, I mean, the northeast coast has taken quite a battering overnight. There's still plenty of wind and driving rain. We know that the Met Office actually said that the highest wind gust was 98 miles per hour. That was just a little bit further up the coast, Alnwick there, but we know it is causing a lot of disruption. Even just on my very short drive to where we are this morning in Whitley Bay, I've seen tree branches on the roads, a temporary traffic light knocked over by the wind, as well as bins, municipal bins, the heavy ones blown over, and also barriers from roadworks knocked down as well. The big problem we have in the northeast are 55,000 homes are without power, according to Northern Power Grid. They said they can expect power not to be restored until later today. That's mainly across Durham, Northumberland, North Yorkshire. LNER telling people not to travel at all on their services between Scotland and London, which obviously go through Newcastle. And locally, the Tyne and Wear Metro got called off at 10 o'clock last night. Again, not expected to get back until at least 9 o'clock this morning. So those warnings are in place till 10 o'clock this morning, Charlie.